Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to change color of objects in Photoshop. Okay, now I will use this example JPEG. And now if you want to change color these objects into green, first we need to select the objects. I will use this tool and you can sort like from this point to here. We're waiting for Photoshop generating selections into selected objects. Now you need to cut at this point. You can press Alt, Hold, and we sort again in here. We're waiting for regenerating at this point. So if this okay, you can create group layer. You can click here and use this tools max. The next I will add for brightness and contrast, and then I will add again for solid color. In solid color you can change like into green. I will click at this point, this green, click OK to apply. The next, select this color fill layer, change into a difference, or you can set into hue or color. I will set it to hue. And now to change brightness, you can click at this point, click in here, change the brightness of these objects. I will set into this point. And now we already changed color these objects in Photoshop. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.